Hey everybody, we have some paper here. I'm going to make some paper patterns. In the last video, we talked about how to plan out the sides for your project, and I'm going to start planning some things out. I'm doing the geometric sculpture that I had in my previous video. I got some yellow paper, but you could just use white paper. I thought it would look nice on the screen. And I folded in half because I want both sides of the shapes to be symmetrical. I'm going to lightly sketch what I'm trying to make. This is going to be the base of my sculpture. And then I can actually just be a little bit more accurate and measure and draw a line. So that's going to be for that one piece. And then that's going to come down like this. You're like, what exactly is he doing? So I've drawn this. And then you remember that I had these cutouts. I'm going to put a ruler here, make a line, put a ruler here, make a line. I'm just tracing the thickness of the ruler. Look at how good that's going to look. Now this might be a little flimsy, so I'm also going to do a line on the bottom. Okay, so I've got that all traced right there. I'm going to get my scissors out, and I'm going to carefully cut on the lines. And because it's folded, you can easily see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make both sides be exactly the same. Let's unfold this. And that is the basic template that I'm making for one of the sides. I'm going to make some more templates and we'll be back in a second. Okay, I cut all my pieces and I've laid them on the ground because that's the easiest way for me to show you them. My floor is very dark colored. And as you can see, these are the sizes and the shapes of these templates that I'm going to use. One of the things I ended up doing where I changed it was that the bottom and the middle, I ended up making them the same. So I actually don't really need to have two templates if they're all the same size. I'm just going to simply cut 8 pieces of cardboard that are in that shape, and then the top is going to be 4 pieces of cardboard. Okay, so I've planned this out. Planning it out and having some sort of template can be very useful because then you can get more precise measurements. And then when you go to draw this and trace this on the cardboard, use a ruler when you're tracing it. All right, in the next video we're going to talk a little bit about how to cut cardboard. It's kind of important that you pay attention to that one, so I'll be back.